I just noticed water dripping from here. So I've just driven an hour from Wannamal, and this is a gravel pit, undesignated camping area. Yeah. And it's like halfway between Lancelin and near Cervantes kind of thing. So, and it's not far from the beach, just on dirt or gravel. Limestone it looks like, actually. Lots of limestone. Very rocky, but I'm not going to move. Like, I think I haven't been on this road before, and this road is the Indian Ocean Drive. So, and I haven't actually driven this road before. Normally, I would stay well away from the ocean because I know that's where everyone likes to camp, and I would actually go inland into the bush because I know most people prefer the ocean drive. So, but you know, it's getting cooler, and I have to go back to work soon in another 6 days. So I'm just going to chill here for the night, and might have a look at staying at a caravan park tomorrow because I need to do some washing, and I need to wash myself really because I've just been like English bathing because it's been so cold. So I was just getting ready to pack up and leave, and I started to make the bed, and I noticed that the mattress was a little bit wet. So I've just pushed on the panel, and a heap of water has come down onto the mattress right above the electrical system. So before I go anywhere, I'm gonna have to take this back panel off and have a look and see where this water is coming from. I bet you it's coming from the sunroof. Had to get my priorities done right first, so I had to make myself a coffee. Yeah. So I noticed my pillow was wet, and then I went to tuck in the bed and thought it was coming from the wall, but now I realise it's coming from here, and it's dripping down onto my mattress. And lucky for me, I've got a bamboo waterproof mattress liner underneath here, so I'm just going to put this here for now while I'm going to take these screws out, take this panel out. Oh shit, I just noticed water dripping from here. God damn it. Okay, far out. Oh. So we have had rain 4-5 days straight, and generally it's normal because I haven't actually siliconed anything for 1 year now, and the last time I checked it was back like July last year, so it's due to be done anyway. So when you think one thing is done, then another thing needs to be fixed. Okay, I need to put the camera down and start taking this panel down. Oh. God damn it. had a bit of a look on the roof and there was like a massive puddle on there. How I've actually parked, like the water's not draining off. So I'm on my way to my son's place, who has a ladder, so I can get back on the roof. But I think I'm going to have to stop off at Bunnings first, get the proper UV sealant, because I've only got the other silicone left. So we're going to head to Bunnings first.
Connecting.
I can never just like go into Bunnings and just get like one thing. I also got some more hooks. You can never have too many hooks when you're living in a van. Right. And I ended up having to get this silicone. You have to make sure whatever you put on your roof is UV resistant. This isn't the normal one I get. The normal one I get is like a marine one, and you can actually put it onto wet surfaces and stuff. This one I don't think I've used, so, but I'm literally going back to work in a couple of days and this leak needs to be repaired ASAP. So let's go to my son's place. Good morning. This was my last sleep-in day because I need to pack my bags and I'm back at work tomorrow. I've got a few things that I want to do in town. I want to go out for breakfast and I need to clean the whole van. I did my washing last night, so I have to pack all that away. And I just have to be organised. I hate fly out day because I just feel rushed because basically get to the airport at 6, fly out at 8:30, be there at 10:30, start work at 11:30. Anyway, I need to get up. So I've made my coffee and I'm getting ready to go. I've stayed in my spot long enough. I try and leave wherever I am at a good time. Like I have actually stayed in this car park a couple of times for a few days in a row, purely because I was sick, like with the flu or something. Like it wasn't because of any other reason. But I usually come to this area because I really like, there's a cafe here I go to and have breakfast, and I know where all the shops are, and you know, it's just familiar to me. So, and I have family here too, so I just don't park out the front of their house. I go and park at somebody else's house. But if you stay in the suburbs, just be respectful for everyone around. You know, leave without a trace. Don't dump your rubbish or anything, you know, be very respectful. And I've never had anyone knock on my window or tell me to leave or the police come or anything. So, you know, I'm not going to let you know the area, but because that's mine. Anyway, I've got a full-on day today. It's fly out day tomorrow. I need to get this van sorted. I need to get dressed. I need to go and do some things. I'm dropping my car off to have the fuel injector done while I'm away at work. And I'm going to go and stay in a hotel tonight. And I hope to God it's got a bath, because I am going to be soaking myself in that bath. And yeah, I don't know what else we'll get up to today. I just know we need to get moving. It actually makes me a little bit sad every time I leave my van. I love my little home. Look at all the shit I have to take back to camp.
Slack to the two service this morning. We're looking for another 15 minutes roughly to start boarding. We thank you for your patience.